Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to add rotate effect in CapCut. So here I've already add clips to my CapCut, and then next what you need to do is go to the clips where you want to add rotate. For example, I want to create a rotate for. Okay, so this the second clip. So what you need to do next is add a keyframes at the beginning of the video, and then add another one in the middle, and after that click on the clips and zoom and rotate the video like this. Okay, so it will go like this, and after that go to grabs and then choose ease out to this one, and then click on the check icon, and here is the final result for the rotate effect video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.